Hello friends. In this case we are going to learn how to change the language in Excel. Let's go Files. Then Options. This little box pops up. You click on Language. Then here you are going to give it in English. You give him to establish, you give him to accept, and you give him to accept. Then we close the file. We open it again. And automatically I am left in English, and to leave it in Spanish again, how would it be? Files, Options, we give it in language. In Spanish, click on Set, click on Accept, and close. And close. And when you open it, you simply have it in Spanish, and this way we can change the language of Excel to English in a very easy, fast and simple way.